can't believe it. I finally got my car back. I finally got the car again. Can you believe it? And this is crazy. I can't believe it, guys. Now for pizza, we already got my car fixed. And now we're at the pizza parlor. So you know that was how to be our first stop. So that's what we're doing, guys. We're doing pizza. So guys, we had to stop at the pizza parlor first thing. My husband was like, we need pizza. So we went and got pizza. He got his sample. There he is. And it was so good. And then, oh my gosh, guys. I don't know if you heard me talking the other day about the old-fashioned bakery in New York, but I was going past it and I could not resist it. So I went in. Look how good everything looks. Oh my God. And look, they were making gingerbread houses and these black and white. They don't look like cookies though, but they're black and white something. I just went to the bakery. Did you see all of that? Amazing. I haven't been to the bakery in so long, so I'm so happy. Did you see the gingerbread houses and all kinds of amazing things? Oh my God, I got donuts, cookies, everything. Now I'm getting a chicken gyro from my favorite Greek restaurant. So I can't wait, guys. I'm gonna like pig out tonight. So, and I just went to my box, my P.O. box. I got a card from Alice. Thank you so much, Alice. I can't wait to open it. And I got boxes, some more P.O. boxes, so more stuff for us to open and have a really good giveaway, hopefully. So, and I'm gonna show you more stuff when I get home for our giveaway tonight and all that good stuff. So, guys, I got all my food, my Greek food, my donuts, food, guys. I'm gonna go home. Shopping because we have no food in our house because we've been gone for so long. So I'm here at the Fresh Mart. They have so much great stuff, guys. This is my favorite. I missed coming here. I used to come here all the time, but then we were away. They don't have one, you know, just here in New York. So anyway, look how beautiful some flowers today. Oh my God, I've never seen. What are red and green hydrangeas? Oh, they must have dyed them, so I'm getting those. Beautiful. Guys, look at these poinsettias. They put like crystals on them. Oh my God. I don't know if I can get one now. I hope if it's baked I can get it because you know the dogs can't eat I don't want the leaves to fall and the dogs eat it. So, I don't know, keep looking. I got my Coach boots on today, guys. I never wore these before. But I don't know why I never wore them, but now I'm like, they're so good and they're so comfortable. And it's wet out, you know, so. I'm back home now and I'm right about to go put this gorgeous Coach backpack up for our giveaway. Oh my God, it's so good, guys. It's so good. It feels so good. It's amazing. So it does still have the tags attached, so you could always give it away too as a gift or whatnot. But I can't wait to see who wins, isn't it? I love it. I love it, guys. I'm so crazy because you know I'm obsessed with this bag. But I really want one of you guys to take it home for yourself and win it. So I'm gonna go put it up right now, and let me go in the other room and show you everything else that I have for the giveaway today. But here is just my, did I show you guys my outfit? But I had my coat on before, but these Lululemon leggings are out of this world. They're actually, I wanted to do a video. I was gonna tell you guys, I was like, I wanted to tell you guys, these leggings are like liposuction. I seriously consider these liposuction leggings because it's, guys, I'm telling you, it's not like me. It's like the leggings actually somehow suck you in. That's why I finally realized, you know, that's why people are so crazy for them. They give you just a certain kind of look where they really do suck your waist in. I don't know how they do it, but it gives you like that look, like, you know, like you have a smaller waist. It's crazy. It's the leggings, I'm telling you. If I took these leggings off, you're gonna be like, girl, what happened to you? It's like you got liposuction. So they're definitely worth the price. And I think I only have like 2 pairs. So, you know, I just wash them and wear them. Like, I really should get more because I wear them every day with everything because they're so, you know, they're so comfortable. The material feels so good. And I mean, who could not resist, you know, liposuction in a legging? So, and then I just got these adorable sheet boots on right now. I know I had on my Coach boots before, but I traded. I had to put these on because I just love them so much. And the, oh no, these are my Justfab boots. These are Justfab. These are on sale right now. They're half off. They're $20. They're the most comfortable boots I've ever worn in my life. So, I'll have them linked below, guys. But there's mommy. Say hi. Say hi, everybody. Guys, my house is such a mess. But, you know, I'll be cleaning. I've been working all day cleaning, shopping. We had no food. We had nothing in the house. So I'm having to go shopping. I still have to do holiday shopping for everybody. So, it's just crazy, guys. And we drove like 20 hours straight. We didn't get any sleep. So, we're exhausted. But anyway, oh guys, this hat is so good. This is from Forever 21. Let me try to show you. It says Los Angeles. I love it. This is such a great hat. I love it. So let me go show you guys the giveaway for the day, and I'll be back tomorrow. This Vlogmas is no joke, but we can do it, guys. We can do it. So it's only a few more days, but you know what? I love popping in and saying hi to you guys. So if you don't mind, I certainly don't mind. I love it. I love talking to you guys. I love sharing everything with you guys. It just makes me so happy. So let me go ahead and go in the other room and show you the giveaway of the day for holiday Vlogmas giveaway. So I just wanted to thank Alice. She sent me this really beautiful Christmas card today. So thank you so much, Alice. I absolutely love this. It was so thoughtful of you and so nice to think of me and my family at the holidays. So thank you so much, girl. I really love you, and look how nice, guys. So nice of her. I'll link her below. I think she does have a public Instagram. So she's such a great friend, and she's a really amazing person. So I'll definitely list her below. So thanks again, Alice. Happy holidays. And I'm gonna show you some other packages first that I got today in my PO box real quick, and then I'll show you the giveaway. So I'm so happy Rimmel sent me a package today. So thank you so much, Rimmel. This is their Slay All Day with Rimmel London collection. So the ultimate holiday glam. I can't wait to use everything. So thanks so much for sending this to me. I know so many of you guys were telling me how much you love the Rimmel eyeshadows. You said they were so amazing. So I know I love the ones that I have. I've never tried this palette yet though, so I'm going to definitely do a look with this soon. So I'll have that up for you guys. And they also sent this palette. So gorgeous. The Wow edition. So there's a lot of shimmers in there. Oh, this is all shimmers. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. So I'll definitely have a look with these soon. And then they did send one of their Wunder Lux Volume. I'm obsessed with their mascara. Their mascara is truly better than high end. I don't think I've tried this one. I don't remember pink packaging. I used the orange packaging one, and I've been using the primer too. It's so good. It's so amazing. And they sent a gorgeous red lip for the holidays. Also, this is like all holiday. Oh yes, a new red lip liner. This is exactly what I need. I actually go through red lip liner now like water. Oh my god, this one looks so good. Red Dynamite, I can't wait. That was gonna look so good together. This is the 520 Dat Red. I'm gonna definitely wear this soon. Oh, and this blush I already have. I love this blush so much. This blush is amazing. So, oh, and the Stay Glossy lips. I love their Stay Glossy lips. This is all so good. I do have already one of these, so I'll put this in the giveaway for today. So guys, here it is. Here's everything in today's giveaway. Oh my god, this gorgeous Coach bag retails for over $400. This is authentic. This is the most gorgeous leather that Coach does the best. Oh my god, I think they really do the best leather. It's so soft, and it's this gorgeous peach color. And then this will be a Metamorphosis collection, the Real Techniques brush set, my favorite, some earbuds, a Starbucks mini cup, some, what is that, Bath and Body Works, a blankie, I think that's like, this is cashmere. I don't know, is it? I have no idea. It's so soft though. So that's in the giveaway. And like I said, the tags are still on everything, so you can always give it away. And this is from, like I said before, this is in another video, but this is purchased from the Coach store, so it's 100% authentic. I did purchase it myself, so it's not, you know, it's definitely 100% real. So here's some Rimmel goodies, and that really great mascara set, Kerastase hair products, Rimmel palette, eyeglosses, you name it, it's here for you beauties. So just leave a comment below and let me know that you'd like to take part, be a subscriber. Well, my giveaways are for my subscribers, and I will be back tomorrow with another huge, yes, homegirl, another huge giveaway tomorrow. So I'm going to be announcing all the winners soon though, so definitely comment below, let me know if you'd like to take part, and that's pretty much it. So also I'm going to post this picture on Instagram, so you can tag a friend on Instagram, follow me on Instagram, I'll link everything below, and you'll get extra entries. So that's always fun, you know, and it's a really great way to win when you do those extra entries. So here it is, guys, again, one more peek, stunning. Oh my god, this iPhone is too good, but it's really such great quality, amazing. So anyway guys, I love you so much, I hope you're all doing amazing, and I'll see you tomorrow. So bye, love you guys.